Hello guys, welcome to our channel Programmer King. How are you? I hope that you are healthy and fine. Now in this video we are going to see second tutorial of C++ in which I will discuss about. In the previous video we have discussed that how to print something in the console. Now I have told you that count is the statement that is used to print something in the console, and these angular brackets are too useful. Now let's talk about user input. To get user input we have to simply specify a data type, like I can say these are simple data types in C++. There are um, simple data types like int, let me write them all. Int is equal to 4. You can specify value according to yourself. String s is equal to let me see. Oh, when I has a cut. 1 second, wait. Let me delete double variable. I will see on that if there was any mistake. Now next variable is float f, sorry, is equal to 1.5 f. These are the data types mostly used. We will discuss about more data types in the later videos. Now these are the most used data types in C++. So let's bring one data type. Okay, we will discuss about every data type getting inputs. Now here I am using integer. So first I have to declare that integer is a variable present in the project. So I have declared it that its name is a. Now to get user input we have a statement called sin. Now here in sin these two angular brackets are used which are called greater than. Now here I will write a. Done. Now no error will occur. Now here first I have declared the integer data type, and its name is a, and I have said to C++ that you have to get input what user want to say in the integer form. Now to print it we simply write count a. Sorry, while printing data types please remember that no inverted comma should be used. Now let's run it. Basically no error should occur. Okay, no error will occur now. Hello world 0 has written. Now here hello world, what I have written is printed because the here is count written. So this is the basic form of user input. Here we can replace it with string and run it now. Here we have to write a string value. Okay, um so this is the tutorial. Guys, please subscribe the video, subscribe the channel and watch full video. Your support is everything for me. Thanks. Comment me also if you noticed a wrong thing I have discussed. Thanks. In the next video we will learn about comments. Okay, for now let's end the video. Thanks.